Yeah, everybody is there. You can hear me. Audible I am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When
Yes, sir.
smaller piece is pinning bigger piece. Now that bigger piece should be behind, not ahead. Then that is called as the best pin. So here, bigger piece is behind, smaller is ahead, and this is also a small piece. This is a good pinning. But supposing now this is a pin, but is it a good pin? A very big piece. ये किधर तो इधर है समझो. This is not supported. Very big piece is there. So if this is moved, you will get this. Naturally. Using a very small pawn is very means it is very trivial. It is very small thing. So it is not a pawn is a very good pin. When big piece is giving a pin, when a small piece is giving a pin, it is always a
Can you mute?
microphone is on. Yeah, thanks. So bigger piece pin doesn't carry much marks in simple word, but it is a pin. Basically, it is a pin. So here, if I say now, is it a pin? Is it a pin? Yes, it is a pin. Now, how to unpin? When somebody pins you, so that means this is not free. Even if now this is getting this, you will say, "Arey yaar, queen mil raha hai, le lo." Lekin not possible. You will lose this. So how to free this? There are two different ways to free your pin. One is put somebody good of equal strength. Equal strength is more important. 3 means यहाँ पर भी 3 point रहे. You cannot put this and say अभी ये मेरा free हो गया. अरे जाएगा ना. लेकिन this is a good. So next move you can kill this. Because what will happen? Max you will lose this. So put somebody between the pin piece and your main piece, somebody over there. So that is an unpin. And second is you attack the piece who is giving a pin. Max to max, it will go back, continuing the pin. You attack. Now it is no pin. So there is no pin. So you write this in a bold letter in your notebook. Number one rule is you pin your opponent whenever possible and unpin the pin which your opponent gives you as early as possible. Should I repeat? Pin your opponent whenever possible because you get a good chance. When you pin the opponent, you immobilize his pieces.
Can you repeat
के
the
नाखून
sentence?
निकाल लेते हैं. शेर तो है लेकिन उसके यानी सापाचा विष काढून घेतल्यानंतर तो काही करू शकत नाही. तसंच येते. त्या तो पीस
Sir, can you repeat the sentence?
काय काय बाळा?
सर जे तुम्ही टिप्स सांगितलेली ते सांगा ना परत.
हाँ, you whenever possible you pin your opponent झालं and If opponent pins you, you try to unpin as early as possible. ASAP. ASAP.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Everybody has written. Now, Parth. Where is Parth? Yes, you wanted to ask me something.
Sir, pinning our opponent is important or not important?
Pinning your opponent is very important because pin means you are attacking somebody. Pin is you're attacking somebody, but your real intention could be attack somebody else also. Any doubt? Because we are going to take different drills for the pin, and you should be able to solve all the drills, all the problems very easily. So that is why you just clear anything you have got any doubt. I might have missed one small topic. I am not able to recollect that one thing, small thing, but during our drill session, I may be able to remember. 99.99% I have given you everything about the pin. Arit, have you understood pin perfectly well?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So nobody has doubt. So let us directly, we will jump to the drills. I am very eager to start that drills. See, there are only 20 problems, 20 drills for pin, because pin is easy, na? That is why. So the first problem says you have to pin white. It is black to move and pin white. So what black will move? Means black has only one piece to move, of course, but where he will move and pin the opponent. You write that in your notebook. I am going to give you 15 seconds for each problem. Now, here two pieces in line. So these two pieces are also in line, but attack should be then in this line. Okay, in this line. But rook cannot give this slanting attack. Rook can give only straight attack. So these two pieces are also in same line. So the attack will be from here. Very simple.
Sir.
Yes, Shubhankar.
Sir.
Yes, Shubhankar.
Rook to D7.
Perfect. Ekdam perfect. So that is the pin. Correct. Next. Now, this answer should be correct, huh? Because this logic is there. There is a logic behind it. So here there are two pins, possible two pins. So one is a good pin and one is a bad pin. So you have to recognize what is good and you have to go with the good and not go with the bad. Now here, these two pieces are in line. And these two pieces are also in line. So this is also a pin. And yes, this is also a pin. Yes.
Rook to H6.
Good. Very good. See here, if you pin this, yeah, if you pin this, this is not a good pin because pinned material is already under protection. So even if you take this, you will lose your rook. So this is a bad pin. So what is good? Good is this. Nobody can save this. If king moves, you get this, and you cannot move this also. Immovable. Next. Here also two pins are available. One is this and one is this. Both are pins.
Sir,
Wait, Bankar.
sir, can I tell?
Who wants?
Sir, can I tell?
Okay, Parth, tell. Parth.
The bishop to b5.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, same.
Yeah, very good, Shubhankar. Bishop to b5 is good because this is a 3 point. This has got 3 points and this has got 5 points. So even if this comes to the rescue, queen comes to rescue, bishop will kill this and black will lose bishop only. So 3 point losing and 5 points getting is good. But if bishop comes to h5, then queen will kill back. It is not safe. You understood? Find out the pin.
चालेल नंतर उद्या करूया का आपण फोन
Somebody's mic is.
Sir, white to move है?
Yes. Now, these two pieces are in line.
Sir, can I tell?
This line only somebody will pin. So this is the correct move. Queen C2.
Sir, can I tell?
Queen C2 is the correct move.
Sir.
Very good.
Queen to c2.
Perfect. Very good.
Sir, queen to c2.
Correct. Next.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, nobody can tell me. I know. This is the answer. If you have written this answer, you are right. Next. Now, अभी मैं देखता हूं कौन बताता है.
Sir, can I tell?
No. I want answer from Soumya. Soumya Pradhan. Soumya Pradhan. Okay. सौम्या कुलकर्णी आहे का? सौम्या कुलकर्णी.
Bishop to d4.
Bishop to d4. Oh, good. Because here now both the squares are good, but here 3 point is giving attack to on a 3 point only. So ज्यादा कुछ उसमें मिलेगा नहीं, मिलेगा तो भी 3 point और जाएगा तो भी 3 point. But here d4 means you are getting 5 points 100%. So this point system is always and always important. Good one. सौम्या प्रधान तुला विचारलं होतं तरी तू सांगितलं नाहीस बाळा. आर्यन गोरे बोला.
C7.
C7. C7. Okay. Okay, that is a pin, correct. But that may not be good or may be good. Aradhya.
Queen to G5.
Good. See, Aryan, what you said is that is a pin by definition. Okay, small piece ahead and big piece behind. So this is a good pin. It comes over here and but knight is killing. So that is why that is not a good pin, and this is a good pin.
Sir.
Yes. Next, Niraj. Now I am going to take this problem on demo board. This needs. Tell me.
Rook to D3. Sir,
Yes.
rook to H6. Sir, rook to H6.
Okay.
Sir,
Urvi.
D3.
Okay. Soumya. Pradhan. Parth, wait, beta. Soumya Pradhan.
To H6.
H6. Okay. Daksh Thakur.
H6.
H6. Arit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Rook to H6.
It's okay. Okay. See here. This is a pin. Very good. And this is also a pin. But this pin, if you give, this can come for the safety of the knight. So if you kill the knight, you lose this. So this pin is not a good pin. But here this pin is a good pin because there is a support. Big piece or biggest piece behind. Little smaller is here. And this is smaller than this. So this is the best pin. Now queen cannot move anywhere. King also cannot. King can move, but again this will kill. So you get 5.6 draw. Now I will ask same question with only colors change. If the answer is same or not. Okay. Now you tell me. Now what is the answer? Same answer? No, it is not the same answer. Because now
Pawn can be used, no?
correct. Pawn is not supporting here. Pawn is supporting here and here. Most important. So when you're looking at the problem, you should see which side pawn is moving. तन्वी कळलं? थोडा डिफरन्स असतो थोडासा. कधी कधी गुगली असते त्याच्यात. So this is correct. Next. This is very simple. Kinnari. Go on, Kinnari.
Sir, can I tell?
No, I am asking to Kinnari. So
Sir.
no.
So can I tell?
No. If she fails to give the answer, then
Bishop to E2.
Who? Bishop to
E2.
E2. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Because this cannot kill, it will get killed. And this cannot kill this also because king is there. Perfect. Tanvi.
Question मध्ये what to move, black or white?
White. Most of the
Bishop
time,
to H5.
to H5. Okay. Fine. Anybody else?
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
Sir, the bishop to A4.
Okay. Anybody else?
Bishop to H5.
H5.
Sir, bishop to H5.
Okay. Aryan also H5. Niraj?
Sir, bishop to H5.
Okay. Everybody is going for H5.
Bishop to A4.
Bishop to A4. Good, Soumya. Very good. See here. This is the problem. Now, many of you are saying this, and some of you are saying this. This is correct, and this is wrong. This is wrong, and this is correct. Why? Because here, though the pin is correct, it is attacking smaller piece, bigger piece is behind. Correct, everything is there. But this piece is coming to the rescue. I have said one of the pieces going for the rescue, then it is not a good pin. And then 3 points versus 3 points. So again it is bad. Here what will happen? This is quite far off. Nobody can come to the rescue. So he unpins. You get it? So this was the unpinning. Understood? So this is correct. Now the question says white to move, pin black and win the material. Now here winning the material is most important. So there could be many pins, but you have to choose the pin which will win the material. Sure shot. That means you are not going to lose anything. Or if you lose anything, you will win more points. Daksh.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, Shubhankar, please tell.
Look, can I tell?
Shubhankar,
Sir.
Shubhankar.
Bishop to. Sir, can I tell? E4. Bishop
Yes,
to
Shubhankar
A4.
is right. Perfectly well. Very good. Bishop to A4. Because now nobody can come to the rescue of this. And you'll get 100%, you get the material. So next problem is might be little difficult to choose. White to play and set up the pin. Not winning the material, only set up the pin.
Sir, can I say? Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can
Aryan.
I tell?
Aryan.
Rook to H7.
Perfect. Very, it was very simple. But this is good pin or bad pin? You tell me.
Sir, Rook to H7.
Correct. But is this a good pin or bad pin? Parth, tell me, is this a good pin or bad pin? It is a bad pin because
Sir, it is a bad pin.
5
Sir,
pointer
king
giving.
is guarding.
Yeah, this is the bad pin. But here,
King is
moving
guarding.
pin, moving rook was very essential
King is
because
guarding.
pin is sorry, no, bishop is attacking the rook, so you have to move that rook. That was very essential move. Now this is the real problem. Pin black, white to play and pin black.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait, those who have not given the answer, I am trying. Vinith,
Sir, queen to D4.
queen to
D4.
D4. Very good, perfect. Very good. You have done all checkmates, no? So is there any checkmate over here?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, back crank mate.
Back rank mate, yes. Anybody can see the checkmate? It is a 2-move checkmate, not 1 move. It is
No,
a 2
sir.
Sir, the queen to D8.
queen to D8. That means with that bishop will come to G8
Sir,
and save.
same.
Bishop will come to G8 and save the king. I'm not putting other pieces.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, we should take the queen to F6.
Yes.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, the queen to D D4.
D4. Yeah, correct. So this pawn is not there in our problem. Yeah, pawn is not there. So this is a good pin. Very good. It cannot move anywhere. But checkmate is this is a one move. Check. This cannot come over here. So this will come to the rescue, block the check, and then again check and mate. Or there is another alternative. Alternative is this direct check. So this will come over here and then mate. The two move checkmate problems are there. You have to calculate at least one move ahead. What will happen next? And what will be your response to what happens next? So we call it as a two move, or you have to think of for two moves. And this grandmaster think for 20 and 25 moves ahead with all combinations, all the combinations. So almost we have done the problems. There are hardly 7 problems left, but they are not much great importance. But still, we will continue those problems, complete those problems next time, and we are going to learn fourth next time. So you write it. Going to complete. Stop at 23. 23. And tomorrow 24 onwards, and we will learn about 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfectly well. पिन कभी भूलना ही नहीं है, भूल ही नहीं सकते आप. Good. विश्वास कळलं व्यवस्थित?
Yes, yes. So,
Good. Sure.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Bye, sir. Good
Bye-bye.
night, sir.
Bye Parth. Bye Aradhya. Bye Sandeep. Bye Soumya. Bye Subankar. Bye Soumya.
Bye, sir.
Bye Soumya Kulkarni. Bye Vinit. Bye Kindu. Bye
Bye,
Aryan.
sir.
Bye Arif Deshmana.
Bye, bye, sir.
Bye bye.